Maya, you paint a picture on the app and your real life, your reflection is nothing near that. This is what I'm saying. You can't deal with a man that embarrasses you. You cannot do that. Oh, one of your relationship. Yet still don't want to be influencers. We don't want to be icons. What icon are you guys? Huh? Well, don't just be one semicolon. Yeah, so come here now. Maya did not came out and address the situation. She made a mockery of it. Persons draw them own things that she shame. Yes, she might be shame. She might be this and she might be that. Then what are we? Me not in a lie, me say TJ or Amy.
Man, Nando, you learning my photo book?
Photo book, yeah man. Man. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna put on some yeah, girl. Yeah.
What's up, girl? Good. Let's take him what I'm having. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
What, Nando? Pack up, let go.
Me and my family alone get that image here, but let me say this to you. You see, sometimes we paint ourselves in some way and we can't come back from it. You know, say I say TJ or Amy, and me don't know my mind active. My mind says that boy TJ just look like a piece. Say now, him just look like that. For sure, TJ, you paint yourself away. Me don't know. TJ look like the guy we soon send him private part to your woman as God live it. TJ, God know. Maya, let me say this to you. Woman to woman, your man stain. Him stain, not stealing, stain. Your man is stain. Maya, you there with a creep. No, it's true. Maya, TJ make me feel nervous, honestly. Honestly, me can't look on TJ the same again. Honestly, I don't know where it came from. Honestly, to God. Cause remember, me in a business with who wants to send him out now. But it's when I see you and him, and this is the same exact thing we talk about as females. All I know say, I would want TJ even see my little daughter and call to her. Not saying that he is, you know. Get me correct. Get me correct. Not saying that he is. But I just get that feeling when I see him. You see, if I see him hug Amy, I say, ooh, no sir. Yeah. No man, it's true. Maya, me not tell you no lie. These are the same exact things where we as females support. Your man look creepy for true. Your man look very creepy. I kid you not, Maya. To me, I will not fling TJ under the bus like that. Me not go do that. But me I tell you, so me see him hug Amy, my blood run cold. You know, say, man like those always have some underlying sickness, you know, mental sickness, you know. Me not tell no lie. He's not what he's saying. Him just look creepy to me. He just look creepy to me. And Maya knows. And Maya play a lot of hypocrite. Maya is a hypocrite. You're one hypocrite girl. Me not tell you no lie. Yeah, man, that is for real. That is it. Thank you very much. Here's a second for real. Me see me feel creepy. Honestly, me just feel creepy. Me not lie, my skin go, no. Me don't know. Me say when I see him hug Amy, man, my blood run cold. Like me in one Lifetime movie. I'm like, this guy has a mental problem. He does. Him give me, alright. Not that he is, but him give me a CMR vibe. You know, a CMR vibe, and that him give me a CMR vibes. Me not tell no lie. See me, me say that TJ this. Me say no, God. Me say no. And Maya, you are such a hypocrite. You are such a hypocrite. I want to easily read. You know that Maya is watchful of TJ, but yet still put a smile above it and underneath she's a surveillance. You know your man. You know your man. And that's the level of hypocrisy me can't bother with Uno. Yeah. You know your man. Maya, me say Uno energy off. Me say Jesus have mercy. Uno not do videos to get Jesus me enough. Me say me read Uno. Me say me read Uno for filth. Me read Uno for filth, you know. Me read Uno for filth. Me say Orlando him a watch TJ in a film spirit. Well, Una do it. Me say Una video cringe my spirit. Me not tell no lie. But Una wouldn't understand it because it comes with energy. It comes with energy. So not only I just watch the video openly. No for true, Mumsel. Me say, Maya, you know your man. You know your man. Maya, you know your man. You know your man. Just that me I leave with you. You know your man. Maya, you know your man. You, Maya. Just that me I leave with you. It's when time come, me I go tell people this. Me I go say, you are in support of your man's attitude, so don't even come out and talk. You, Maya, as a young girl, you messed up. You and TJ is messed up. Me not tell no lie. Messed up body now. Let me say this. You see no energy? If nobody not see, me say, me just click off. Me just slide up the phone because me can't take this. You know your man creepy behavior? Alright. When you ever see some story yet? When you ever watch some show where you have some couple, but the man have an attitude and the wife support it. Like she know he's beating on the helper, and at that make him comfortable, she turn a blind eye. Until somebody one day come and see it and talk, and she said, it is what it is. Like it's just child, leave it alone. This is the thing. You know, say me don't know how people idolize, you know. For sure. Me don't know how people idolize, you know. I saw them slip, I saw them slide, you know. Yeah. Me don't know how people idolize, you know, for sure. Because Maya, you play hypocrite. You play hypocrite, Maya. You know, say two things that, me tell you this. You see TJ, I see him flare up on Jaden. Don't want Jaden to talk his business, but TJ would have melon at everybody's business. You know what is the problem, Maya? This you know shame about. I'm not the first TJ I give a bone. Number one, TJ only professor him want you want TJ, Maya. Me didn't want to talk all of them something from day one, but me didn't want to talk it too early. Are you alone want TJ? And right now, me tell somebody say, me don't care what them want to say, is you and mine TJ. Is you and mine, all them say TJ having money. Which part? Which part? Are you and mine TJ? Me not ask you. Are you alone in our relationship? Remember $2 brighten TJ eye, so how TJ for have it? Lion satisfied, so how him for have it? Maya trying to breathe, so how you for have it now? How TJ for have it? I one thing with a young girl, una always go like una have on the head pan on nobody when on the front the pan on the head. True, a long time I didn't want to tell you this, Maya, but we never want nobody come out and say, love the hype as an ex-battle chick. Yeah, it's true. It's true. When people say, you know, say you have girl on the app with class, enough time I ask them something up on my program, and them call your name, and I ignore them, because I don't want to tell the truth. Come I want to tell them, say, the moment you there with TJ, you know, have your head by your body. You know what? Your head by your body, you're in love with TJ based on your vagina. I know every single thing. So when only can sit down and say, Maya, good girl, Maya is an asshole. Maya is an asshole. Sadly to say, this is a prime example. You know your man have an illness, Maya. You have a reputation for back, but whose reputation are you backing? You're backing TJ's reputation. Nobody now asks you for break up, but have some self-esteem, have some morals about yourself. You're an entrepreneur, right? And you want to look at it from a business standpoint. When you have a relationship where make you look like a bitch, come on, child. We can't see you from no angles. It's not all angles. We can't see. Nobody now gonna tell you. But the truth is the truth. You understand me? You sit and you like to picture yourself or pitch yourself above some girl. You're not better than Ivan, you know. Not saying that Ivan is low, you know. But you're not better than Ivan. And let me use somebody lower. You're not better than Rosalie, you know, and some gunman no want. And that's why I'm not talk about certain things, you know. That's why I'm not talk about certain things. Because I go in my truth bag. I mean, I like going in my truth bag and take out the real things then. I mean, I like it, man. I have to go in my truth bag. And the funny part about like my truth bag not real, you know. Maya, I'm not telling you like you are my TJ. TJ only stick with you for the money. It's not like your own good. Because I don't know why I want to advertise him good if you did have a good old. Maya, what wrong with your belly bottom from battle service days? I don't understand. TJ trick you. He hook you. You got hook in his booty. And now you can't let go. It's not TJ want, it's you want him. Come here, yeah, I'm talk too much. Go lay down. Come here. I don't like the truth bag. I can't take for going to the truth bag, man. Yeah, it's true. Maya, them don't want to tell you because they want the internet always say, Maya, good girl. Maya, yeah, good girl, yes, without sense. Then Maya never have sense to a man in either ways. TJ, are looking for me, my doctor. So Mr. TJ is very pretentious. TJ one of them when I know the life, you know, but pretend to have the life until him reach the life. You never know. Maya, you paint a picture on the app and you reflect your real life, your reflection is nothing near that. This is what I'm saying. You can't deal with a man that embarrasses you. You cannot do that. Oh, one of your relationship. Yet still don't want to be influencers, we don't want to be icons. What icon are you guys? Huh? Well, don't just be one semicolon. Huh? Because this is nastiness. Your man has a stigma. Your man has a stigma. And if them say Maya used to work for him as a battle girl, work for OTJ, Jesus have mercy. I wanna talk about Maya, decent girl. Oh Lord, then Maya one of them will take the boss. Maya one of them will take the boss. Maya, you have to go do better. TJ give you a bad look, Maya. TJ giving you a bad look. TJ giving you a bad look, Maya. I mean, me notice, Maya, me go tell you that I go talk something with me observe. It not have to be factual, you understand me, but let me talk about the relationship that I observe between you two. You see the energy between you two, Maya, it's off. You know, so now roommate in a real life, God believe me, una fi be friends. Una roommate, you know, honestly to God. No, it's true. Like you said, Mr. Ramsey, going please. No. No, sorry. Yeah, no, for true. It's not like me I tell Maya, you look like a roommate, you not have no chemistry, you know. You know, so you don't look like a loving couple. People on the app lie. Maya, one of them was still on hide pain under makeup.